Hello, this is Ziyin Chen, and I'm showing the second part of Lecture 1. Let's start with sign up function. Click in the create an account, and I am typing in a new email address, password. I'm typing in 33333, only 5 characters, and then 22222. And if I click create, it shows 2 error messages. So I'm fixing one of those by adding a 3 on top of it. Then create, then that error message is gone, but still the second error message stays. So I'm typing in 6 3s, then create. Now I'm signing in. Then even though I'm a new user, I can view all the threads. I click view. This is 11th thread, and there is a reply messages, and I'm adding a new reply message. Then post message. Then the new message is posted. Then I can go back and forth, without losing the link. And for the search, I can type in 11 and 5 and 7 to hook out all those. Or either 5, I think I deleted 5. And if I type in only 1, okay, let me see if I click on one of them, it shows up. Go back, then click home, then search with a single keyword, search, then show the second thread. And make sure that the 5th thread is not there. Yeah, the 5th thread is not there. That's all I have. Thank you.